Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel Discover with Kim. I am Kim. I'm so excited you're here with me today. It is another hike with me vlog. So today we are going hiking and a very snowy hike. So all of yesterday we had a huge winter storm. It started off with rain and then it turned into some sleet and then it just turned into snow all day long. So we have several inches of fresh snow on the ground, which is absolutely beautiful. It is quite chilly out there today. It is 17 degrees Fahrenheit, but with the wind chill it feels like 3 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're definitely going to bundle up real tight. We're going to be going to two separate trails. There's a loop trail and then there is the butterfly trail. The loop trail it's the raccoon trail, but I don't know the actual name of it, so I will put the actual name of it on the screen. And then we're also going to be going to connect to the butterfly trail, and then we'll come back and we will see what we find. I know it's going to be an absolutely beautiful one because it is a beautiful winter morning here in Ohio, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's go hiking. Looks like they're mostly done with that build. No option is good. Guess we find out today how waterproof my boots are. Hope you guys can see all that snow flying around. Beautiful. Yeah, the water is. That's a scary sound. We just got back from our hike and it was absolutely beautiful. It actually, like, it was chilly out, but I dressed warm enough. The new layers that I got for Christmas and that I've been acquiring over some time have actually really paid off. So I dressed warm enough. I wasn't cold at all. Like, my fingers got a little cold because they were exposed, and my nose a little bit because I would take the covering off because I just couldn't breathe with it on. So if anybody has a better like face covering that will allow me to breathe but keep me warm, throw your options below. But yeah, I loved it. Also, pants I wear, they're fleece lined and I like them, but I don't love them. So if anybody has any like fleece lined or thermal pants recommendations, throw those my way too, because your girl could use them, because I love hiking in the cold and the snow. It was absolutely gorgeous today. We went on a trail that the road was closed because there's a bridge that goes over it, or it's along the road, and there's these huge ice chunks that have been going through the water, and they had to close the bridge, and they were these huge ice chunks, as you guys saw, and it was so cool and really pretty. So there was absolutely nobody else around while we were out hiking. We had to hike completely to ourselves. We saw some snowbirds, we saw some geese, some woodpeckers, some little snowbirds, and a couple ducks, and it was just, as you guys saw, I shared what I could. It was really just so beautiful. The sunshine would peek through every once in a while, and it was such a lovely hike. We were out there for about an hour and a half, and with all our stops and my picture taking and everything, we ended up going almost 2 miles. It was like 1.9 miles, I think, estimated, but it was really fun. It was really beautiful, and I'm so glad that you guys could join us on this hike. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for watching this vlog and for hiking with me. I hope you guys get some time this week to get out there and go discover. Have a good one, my friends. Bye.